issue in Egypt is sexual harassment. Up to 99.3% of women experience this on a daily basis. P-Link, the protective locator ink, will be able to tackle this and allow women to be able to walk around freely. Women will be targeted from the A, B, and upper C class from ages 15 to 55. P-Link is based on three main components. Pepper spray, semi-permanent yellow ink, which stains for 2 days, and its purpose is to make the hazard distinguishable. And these two components together will be able to spray to 3 meters away. The third component is a location detector, which will be able to alert other sexual harassment movements around.
The product will cost £9 and will be sold for £11. We will need £150,000 as a startup cost, which will break even by the end of next year. By the end of this year, we will have registered commercially in order to launch by mid-Feb. With P-Link, we will mark the end of sexual harassment.